Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Abiasap. Abiasap means father of gathering. He was one of the sons of Korah, a man from the tribe of Levi. The Levites were chosen by God to serve in the sanctuary, helping the priests and caring for the holy things of the tabernacle. But the story of Abiasap's family is both sad and hopeful. His father Korah once led a great rebellion against Moses and Aaron in the wilderness. Korah became proud and jealous. He thought he should have more authority in leading the people. He forgot that God himself had chosen Moses and Aaron for their special work. When Korah and his followers stood up against God's appointed leaders, the earth opened and swallowed them alive. It was a fearful reminder that pride and rebellion bring destruction. Yet, the Bible says something beautiful in Numbers 26:11. The children of Korah died not. Abiasap and his brothers did not join in their father's rebellion. They chose to remain faithful to God. They respected his order and trusted his plan. Because of their faithfulness, God allowed their family line to continue in his service. Later in the Bible, the descendants of Abiasap became known as the sons of Korah. These men became singers and musicians in the temple, helping to lead God's people in worship. Some of the psalms in the Bible were written by them. Songs like, "As the deer pants for the water, so my soul longs for you, O God." Their songs were full of praise, humility, and love for God. Abiasap's name, Father of Gathering, reminds us that God can gather and restore what seems broken. Even though his father fell into sin, Abiasap stayed close to God, and through him, the family was gathered back into God's service. This story teaches us that each person can choose faithfulness even when others around us go the wrong way. Our past or family mistakes do not have to define us. If we remain humble and loyal to God, He can use us to bring others together in worship and faith. Like Abiasap, we too are called to be gatherers, bringing people closer to God through our obedience, our songs of praise, and our example of faith. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.